14-year-old gone missing in Central Village, St. Catherine. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. An anand alert has been activated for a 14-year-old Nikera Pennicott of Hibiscus Avenue, Windsor Heights, Central Village, St. Catherine, who has been missing since August 23rd. Nikera is of light complexion, medium build, and about 5 feet 1 inches tall. Reports from the Central Village Police are that at around 6:30 a.m., Nikera was last seen at home wearing a pink tube top and black tights. She has not been seen or heard from since. All efforts to contact her have proven futile. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Nikera Pennicott is being asked to contact the Central Village Police at 876-907-9504, the Police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.